I can't believe that they had the fence here last time, but it's all up. Hello! Here we are at a new construction home. It's in the hills of Eugene, very close to the U of O and South Eugene High School. It's about 10 minutes away from town, but not too bad at all. So, as you can see behind me, they're still working on the home. It is going to be listed for $569,000, which is a really great price for this home. I've seen the inside and it's beautiful already, but we'll do a progress shot a little bit later. We'll come back and see the property when it's all completely put together. So, as you can see, it is 2.5 stories with the garage on the lower story. It is 4-bedroom, 3 full baths, which I love, and it's 2,335 square feet. Let's take a look inside. As you come up, here we are back at that new construction house that we saw just a little bit ago. It is almost finished, but there's just a couple things that need to be finished, but I'll show you the progress on it. I'm so excited. You walk in, and it's a little bit more done. There's some spots that need to be patched up on the wall, paint-wise, but there's not as much stuff on the carpet, so you can actually see what it'll look like when it's finished. Tile are on the fireplace already, so that looks a lot nicer as well. But they started doing molding, and they finished painting all the walls, so it looks gorgeous. Very fresh, nice, very classic, so it'll appeal to a lot more people. But you saw before that the living room connects to this beautiful dining room. You can finally see the flooring now that all the boxes are removed, but it has a nice laminate tile, and the kitchen needs to still be finished, but you can start to get more of a feel of it. It has the dark wood cabinets and this lovely island. So that's almost done. The full bath here is completed, unlike last time. So they have the vanity in, they have the toilet and the shower, that's all completed. And I want to show you back onto the porch. Right, so this back porch area, I can't believe that they had the fence here last time, but it's all up. It goes all the way along the patio, and there's a railing on the patio now, so it's safe. Yeah, it just looks very nice out here. You can have your jacuzzi and your barbecue, and it's all set up and you're getting ready. We have the bonus room here. That's complete and ready. Has the new carpet. Everything in this house is brand new. So I will show you the second floor. Very open. We have this lovely community space that's carpeted. There's a bathroom. Here, this full bathroom is complete. Didn't see last time because there were people working inside of it, but it has a nice vanity. It has that tile that matches downstairs, shower and everything. We have our master bedroom, which is my favorite. It has the vaulted ceilings everything in here is complete as well. Last time there were people working, so we didn't really get to see the full effect of it. But yeah, here it is. It's open and gorgeous. You have that open walk-in closet as well. And I love that it has natural light coming into it. And then we didn't get to see the master bathroom because there were so many people working in it, but here it is. There's a shower right here. I have a toilet that closes to the rest of the bathroom to give some privacy. And then what I really like, that same tile that we saw around the fireplace, they used for the master bathtub. So it really ties in nicely, and it's a really good accent for this bathroom as well. I really like the dark tile, and I haven't really seen that before. But I love how this bathroom turned out. I think it matches with the house very, very well. And they've really used every square foot that they possibly could to make it flow really nicely. So basically, if I could have any master bedroom, I would have this one. As you saw before, we have the closet space. There's a linen closet here. There is the water heater here. And you have another giant closet here for extra storage. And these are cozy. They're so nice. The floor is all new. Everything is new here. The green matches the rest of the house, so the paint color is very cohesive throughout. You have a nice view of your little backyard hill. I think anyone else is going to be building back there, so you'll have privacy in these rooms. This one has a nice closet as well with all the same features as the other bedrooms. But yes, that is the almost finished tour of this house. I hope you liked it. I hope that this is something